My name is Laura, and I welcome you to Culturally Committed. I was drawn into Culturally Committed a lot out of curiosity and wanting to take advantage, I guess, of the opportunity to get to know some Indigenous people in a way that I haven't been able to get to know people before. And what I've found is this lovely, safe place in this community where I feel welcomed and where I am learning to see the world in a way that I never imagined before. Each time we have a workshop or a community call, I get another little glimpse of a completely different way of being and understanding the world and understanding nature. And I realized that what we learned from one of our mentors today, from Juan, he said, I know this much and there's this much to know. That's how I feel as well. I feel like there's so much more that I don't know than what I do know. And I have no appreciation for that before I joined this group. And I'm extremely, extremely grateful and really in awe of our mentors for their love and their patience with all the stumbles and the kind of stupid sort of questions that the settlers ask. They're so patient and so loving and so kind and so generous to share in a beautiful, slow way their worldview, and it's hard to put words to it. It's more of a feeling of love and community.